Okay, hello again. I am not sure whether this was playing from the beginning or not. Sadly, it was not playing, and these are the two positions which I had taken. This one is really bad, but let's see. It almost hit my stop loss, but it gave a proper rejection at wherever it had to reject from. This was a retest, so it's looking good right now, but my entry point was very high. But for now, let's keep it that way and look for a target. And the one more trade which I had taken was a mine tree. Right now it's taking a small pullback. Everything is looking great. It's more, my stop loss was much higher than this. It was almost 0.7%. So I reduced it to 0.4%. Since the market is moving in my direction, I don't have to take such a risk. It won't reverse so much. And VWAP is below 200 moving average is also below above. I am putting my stop loss there. So let's see. My first target will be here. This will be my ultimate target. That is very huge. So that will be around 3% fall, I guess. Almost 3%. From today's high, I think it's almost 4% fall. So that won't happen. So this is my first target which I am going to take. For now, let's see. And this one also took a reversal from that point. This was a real position where I had to enter, but sadly due to some emotional atyashar I entered a little late. For now, let's see. It's going up. Remaining Torrent Pharma broke down inside. Then we have Tata Steel. Yeah, we are planning on shorting it because broke the VWAP line, but looks like it was playing with us. It's going to go sideways like sale. Sale usually shows you a little bit insight of Tata Steel's movement. So it was moving sideways for a long time. So this usually behaves because it's same product, steel product. So it's going to go sideways to. We had a good breakout, but there was no consolidation. It was just went. So we didn't take an entry. This was Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank also we had an head and shoulder type pattern. If you remove this, you can see it. So right now it's consolidating. Tried to give a breakout, thought of entering, but next candle was red, so I just left it because that was a 15-minute candle. One 15-minute candle showed this way. Right now we just have to wait for that entry signal. If the candle is closing, there's still 4 minutes left in this 15-minute candle, so let's see. If this candle closes above this point, then you can go long. Stop loss here. By then this 50 moving average also will come up, so it will be a better stop loss as well. Target wise, this is your first target of 1%. So that's almost 1:2. Always go for 1:2, whatever happens. Okay, this market is looking like it's going to go sideways, but we'll wait for this candle to close. If it's going red, then exit because it's much close to the VWAP line. It's at one point it's just going to break the VWAP line in one candle. This green candle move was with less volume, so there is power. Let's see. I'll just leave it here. I don't want to see it again and get emotionally attached. Let's see for some other entries. Okay, Tata Chemicals I didn't enter because profit was not much. It was 1:2. It has taken many times. It's moving in a range. It was here. If the market had fallen below this line in the beginning itself, then it would be a good shot. But it gapped up and took a reversal here, so it might take a reversal here again. Let's see if there is some intraday double top or double bottom for me, then I'll go according to that. Hindalco gave a breakout, right now coming for a retest. I don't think we'll have a significant move in Hindalco, but I think we have to enter now. If we want to enter, this is our opportunity. But it's below VWAP line. It's above 200 moving average. And that would be a good shot today. So I already had a rally, huge rally. In 15-minute time frame, you can see this green candle with a much higher volume and forming a rejection. So you can tell this is a reversal point, but I am not sure whether it will reverse back again from here and go up higher. Okay, this is IRCTC. I think there is pumping today. Problem with the IRCTC is you have to enter without finding any candle formation. Like one candle will just break out, then there won't be a movement. So it already gave a breakout. You can enter right now, have patience, or wait little more. Stop loss. If you can't handle more stop loss, if you can handle, then this will be a stop loss, very huge one. And your target, you can take R3 as well. This should be your first target, but if it doesn't move, it's going in our direction, so you can keep this target, enter right now. Already I am in 2 trades, so I don't want to enter. Then there is a lot of range bound tradings which I had kept in my journal, but I don't think I can execute all of them. For now I think Mindtree is looking good. Canara Bank, now it's at break even. This could just keep going sideways as well. Is there any news on Canara Bank? There's no event in Canara Bank. Let's see what happens. I think right now I'll reduce my stop loss till here. And remember that one rule, if it's not moving for more than 1 hour, then exit. We have entered at 9:35. By 10:35, if it doesn't move much, if it's still in red, then exit. It's useless, even with profit or loss, a small profit or a small loss. Looks like consolidation, but I think we might have to exit right now. Could be a pullback. Who knows? Let's wait and watch. Our stop loss has been modified also, so no problem, I'll take the loss. This is manageable loss for me, 0.49%. I can't, emotionally I won't be attached. Let's see any other opportunities. Yeah, we had IRCTC. Okay, what could I do? I was already in a trading position. Looks like this has given a breakout and almost hit our first target. Right now hitting our second target in one candle itself. How nice. I hope this is working. Okay, it's working. This is some type of abnormal candle. You can either exit right now, takes as much profit as you can, or else you can just keep waiting. It'll go down, play with your emotions, then maybe later on slowly move up, or you could just book your profits right now in this. You'll get around 1% already. I got already because the volume is getting much higher, and right now it's also getting rejections, also selling orders. Then it all depends on Nifty. Whenever Nifty starts going down, then where is Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty is looking good, but why is this not looking great? Let's see whether this is a pullback. If it's not a pullback, then it will go above the 200 moving average again. If it is a pullback, it will take a reversal from here again. So let's see. Sometimes you have to let go of your profits as well to just follow your process, which I learned yesterday from some YouTube. Like I said, Tata Chemicals have not taken the trade, but looks like it's reversing halfway through. I told you this profit was very less, direction was not that great. I think if it comes back here and takes a reversal again, then we can think of it as a double top in a 5-minute time frame and then enter. Then it will have a good move downside. For now, let's see what's happening here. Okay, let's see what's happening here. I'm going to follow that 1 hour rule here. 45 minutes. If it is not moving, if it is in positive, then I'll wait for 1 hour. If it is not, then I'll just exit it. It's right now in our break even point. Sometimes it just hits your target in one candle, and sometimes it just doesn't. Like I said, this one it's better to exit right now. Very huge volume. Next candle will be a very big red candle, so book your profits. Or I could be wrong. This could be a institutional pumping, so it might just keep giving big red candles and keep going higher. But for now, I think I would have exited. should have taken that trade instead of this Canara Bank. Canara Bank is looking choppy. There's no reason for it to be choppy as well. Just playing with me. But it's at all-time high. No, it's not at all-time high. Okay, it's going. It's not. It's going. It's not. I think I want to go offline right now. Anyone watching? Nobody's watching, so I think I will go offline. If there is any good move, I'll post it on my Instagram channel. I think I have to put in my Instagram ID as well in my YouTube channel anymore. So for now, Tata Chemicals, no. Hindalco, nope. I told you it would be a reversal here in 15-minute time frame, but it could reverse back from this point. Looks like it came to that point already. It broke the VWAP, it has broken and never gave it opening above that again. So this was a fake breakout. Who knows, it might take a rebound from this 200 moving average. So for now, let's see. Remember, if this volume is getting much higher than this, please try to book profits. I'm not sure if anyone has seen it, but take that opportunity. BHEL, I didn't take a trade because it's very small candles. Might take a while to hit your profit stop loss or something. Or let's try to find some other entry points. We had this one as well. Biocon, very choppy, gave a breakout, came back down. Then we had Lupin. I didn't take a trade, I just had put, if it breaks out from here then take an entry, but right now it's looking very choppy. No trade. Where is Cipla? Where did Cipla go? Cipla was going in a wedge from past 3 days. I think it's a slow grind to this target. I think if we had seen it, we could have entered. I would have entered here itself. Small stop loss, good gains. Right now, I don't think so. This is our target. Even if you enter now, you can use the VWAP as a stop loss. Go a bit lower till here. A target. It's 1% target, good, but not even 1:2. Then you can find any other. See, pivot point wise it's already at R3 because it didn't move much from past 3 days. Let's see. And moving average to maintain. No. Let's see. I'm not taking this trade, just for book trading purpose. Looks like this is not going to go anywhere. I think Canara Bank I will exit after a few minutes. Let me wait until that 45-minute mark is over, or else I'll just take the loss. after it hits stop loss. Stop loss is somewhere here. Somewhere over here, stop loss. Let's see. My entry almost had its move. Right now reluctant to go down. Okay, until then I think I'll find a replacement for this Canara Bank, which really played with my emotions a lot. Bandhan Bank, it's not going to move much. Tata Chemicals will move. Let me find something else which I had planned. We had Indalco, Torrent Pharma. Where did Torrent Pharma go? Okay, this one we can take a trade right now, but should I? It will be a slow grind. It's almost 1% up already. My entry and stop loss will be changed almost. Where is my target low? Yep, it's moving. Take till here as well. It'll come down, go back up, down, up, down, up, down, and just move slowly. Let's see, Torrent Pharma took a reversal from the 50 moving average. It's not a powerful breakout as well. It might just go sideways, so I don't want to take it right here. Then we had Biocon. It was really choppy and then it just fell down. So even this one not required. Lupin. Okay, today is not a good day for pharma stocks. Let's see indices wise which is better. Metal 0.7, very good. Finances are good other than Canara Bank. Pharma, Orchard Pharma, okay, that's different. Yep, only finances are good other than this one, which is not ready to move. Then we have SBI account. Oh, I forgot about one thing. I had HDFC Bank in my. Okay, it had already gapped up, so I just left it. There was a range which broke. Okay, that's gone. Let's see any banks in my. We had IGL. Where did IGL? Shit. Forgot about IGL. Okay, no problem. IGL also, it's just choppy. Good, no problem. It gave a breakout, then went back in. It has been moving in this range from past few days. Yesterday, if you had shorted it here with this pure candle, if you had seen it, it would be a good opportunity for you. Huge target. 1.8%. Right now it's not moving. Then we had not this one. Indigo. Indigo, it was in a range. Can move this range till here also. Leave it. Indigo not that great. You had just style also. Total power taking resistance again. It's checking the resistance again, so we might find one inverted ascending triangle like this. It will be testing the resistance again and again, and then one point it will break. There's a logic behind it, I'll tell in some other video. I have just style which gave a breakout today, but that was in one candle. So after that candle just consolidated, so it's better you don't take a trade. Like one freaky candle it just goes. Even okay, IRCTC just keeps on going higher. Our target was hit in one candle. For now, I think I'm going to regret for the rest of the day. The only trade which I don't take goes in my direction very fast. Okay, this one is much more sideways movement. Even this one, let's see, when did it, my 9:35. I'm exiting at 10:35. I made a significant move. There's no point to wait. My entry was so late. Okay, that's it. I want to exit right now, but hope it takes a reversal from that VWAP line. If it breaks, then I have to exit anyway. This one as well. Imagine if you had entered this one, it would be much better. Okay, it's because of HDFC, the banking sector is going higher. Kotak Bank is also going great. Kotak Bank, there was no signal of any kind. Okay, we are going to exit. Just the next candle is going above, then I'm going to exit. Imagine we shorted this one, it's going up. We bought this one, it's going down. What is this Chutiapa? Maybe today is not a great day. Okay, this one, some things which I don't take a trade goes really nicely. Some which I take a trade goes badly. It's time to exit. But let's wait for the candle to close. This I should have entered in the 5-minute time frame itself. It would have been better. Okay, one stop loss is about to hit. No problem. I'll take the loss. Today is not a great day. Maybe some other day. I think I'll exit this one as well right now. Okay, Mother-son Somi also broke out. Which affects. Okay, I reduced my stop loss and it got hit. So no problem, I'll take that loss. We have one more which is not going great. So per day 2 stop losses, then after that I'm just leaving it. Today is anyway Wednesday, usually volatile. So I think it's time. Not every day is a great day. Okay, I'll be ending the stream. This also I'll be exiting. Only great thing was IRCTC, which we didn't take. It's keeping on pumping. It was a pattern trading. This was an entry signal. We were in this red candle when we were seeing it. We could have taken that with the stop loss here, seeing the entry over here. It would have been great, but we were already in some shitty trades, so what else can we do? This could reverse from here after hitting our stop loss, so things happen. For now, let's exit. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. One, if we find anything else tomorrow, then we'll enter, or I'll enter when I find some other trade. For today, one is stop loss, one more is break even. I'm just waiting for this to finish its 45 minute cycle. Then I might find some other trades and take in for the afternoon session. So for